Here's another one of the more popular muscle cars that we sell, 1969 Chevrolet Chevelle. As you can see, it's done up with some Yenko stripes in white on top of blue, kind of a darker slate blue I'd call it. Paint was actually done in 2018, so not a very old paint job on this. A lot of this car has been gone through and parts replaced and brought up to nice driver quality car. We'll start with under the hood. It does have a 350 Chevy small block underneath there, 4-bolt main. That's bored 30 over. Eagle connecting rods. It's been decked. It does have ARP main head and intake bolts. Iron Eagle heads on it. Scorpion roller rockers. It does have a new HEI distributor. New headers and exhaust also. If you want to check out the still pics, you can see the engine bay underneath the car. You can check out the still pics and any of that at uniqueclassiccars.com. Also has a new 3-core aluminum radiator underneath the hood, as well as a new fuel pump, tank, sender, fuel lines. So once again, the car's been gone through, brought back to a nice driver quality car. Paired with that 350 underneath the hood is a Muncie 4-speed. Also has a new clutch assembly, flywheel and pedals. Does have aluminum drive shaft and yokes and U-joints. New shifter linkage and handles. Rear end is a 373 gear ratio. Take a look at the interior here. See, the interior's been, seats have been recovered. New vinyl, buckets up front. Shifter on the floor, that Muncie 4-speed. Dash kept pretty much stock. It does have a stereo speaker, 6x9s, wired to the rear deck. Left the stereo out of there, so you can put stereo of your choice in there, but it is all ready and wired for speakers, as you can see in the back deck there. So go ahead and install a CD player, cassette player, AM FM radio, retro style, whatever you would like to. It's set up for it. See the Yenko white stripe and the dark blue in the rear here also. Chrome and bright work is nice in the car. Again, check out those still pictures. See the underside, trunk, engine bay. Any of those still pictures can be seen at uniqueclassiccars.com. Go through a little bit more of what's been done as far as some of the body and what have you. It does have new body mounts and bushings, new tubular control arms, front and rear, as well as sway bars, front and rear, new shock absorbers front and rear, coil springs front and rear have been replaced. It does have 4-wheel power disc brakes. So you do have disc brakes, all 4 corners, and they are power. Has had a new painless car wiring harness. Does have new wiper, headlight and turn light switch, new speedo cable and some aftermarket gauges were added underneath the dash, and a tachometer put on the steering column. Again, if you have any questions, give us a call, 507-386-1726. Can sure go through any of the things you've heard me talk on this video about. It's a little tough to remember everything and go through all of it. So if you got any questions, feel free to give us a call. Go ahead and fire it up so you can hear that engine run. As you can hear, a nice starting car, nice running car. Again, stereo is left out, so you can put one in of your choice. The speaker wires have been run right up to the back of it, so you can hook those up. Also has had a headliner put in it. Headliner is in. Again, you can see that the seats have been recovered. Nice vinyl, door cards, carpeting, all that has also been replaced. So we get that off the high idle a second. There, rumble down a little bit. There we go. This 350's got a nice rumble to it coming off the back, so you can hear it. You can see she's been built a little bit. Again, call us with any questions, 507-386-1726. Be happy to go over any of the stats of the car. The still pictures, undersides, interior, still pictures of the car, of course, can be seen at uniqueclassiccars.com. 1969 Chevrolet Chevelle.